Hi, this is John Lockwood from John Next Door, and this is the unboxing video of my brand new Papercraft Society box. I'm really excited to see what's in here. I've designed this and put it all together exclusively for CraftStash and Practical Publishing. And I can't wait to see how it's come out. I actually haven't seen it yet. So I'm loving the box. And I'm one of those people, I think crafters are all the same. I love packaging. I love boxes. The previous Papercraft Society boxes I've got are all on a shelf looking pretty. But one of the things I asked them to do when they were doing this one for me was to use the same images as I've used for the papers. It's the same stripe, the same leaves. So it's all got an autumnal feel. So I'm hoping when I open it, it's got a beautiful autumn feel. So just take the little seal off and we'll open this. Oh, it has. That's beautiful. So there's the phrase I gave for it. Autumn is my favourite season. The tones and colours never fail to inspire me. That's genuinely so true. I am definitely an autumn's child, I've got to say. Move that in so you can see it. So that's inside your box. So if you've got this, I'd really recommend keeping the box. Oh, the envelope. That is so pretty. That's come out so well. So again, keeping that almost burnt orange and burgundies, but the fresh greens, love that. So let's have a look, see what's in here. So don't forget to share your makes with us at Papercraft Society. Yeah, please share anything you make with it on Papercraft Society. Also, if you want to put them on the John Next Door and Crafts 2 Facebook group, I'd love to see what you've made. So this is the same stripe as into... Oh, that is nice. Let's move the box out of the way for a minute and have a look at this. So we've got, there's only one thing I enjoy more than designing, and that's crafting. That is genuinely so true. That is one of my favourite. When they asked for quotes, that's about the first one I came up with. Happiness is a well-stocked craft room. Definitely, 100%. And let your craft be as unique as you are. And I think that's really true. You know, if you want to make something that you've seen inside the brochure inside with all the different projects, I'm not going to show you that now because that's for you to go through when you sort of get it and playing with it. That's brilliant, but use those as starting points as well and make whatever you want. You know, let your craft be unique. So it being me, we're going to start with the dies, and I love these. The idea was, this has come out so well. The idea was, let's take the plastic off because it's probably shining a little bit on this. So let's get that off. I love the way they've used my packaging. It's only a bit of plastic, this, so you can, you know, ruin that one away. What I would do, to be honest, is stick a little bit of magnetic sheet on here so that you can put the dies back onto the packaging, then you know what they are and what they belong to. But the idea was that you've got like this little strip die that cuts out all of the lines, so it gives you like a skeleton leaf pattern. You've got an outside line for it if you want to cut it out or you want to cut a frame for it. But then you've got this die, and I'm hoping, and I'm genuinely, I haven't tested this yet, so that fits over. I'm not sure if you can see that, but that actually fits over so that you can cut that one out in one colour. You can cut that one out in another colour. Then you can have a third colour behind, so you can have different shades and tones of leaves, or do something really inky. Again, have a look in the book, because myself and the Angels have done some, they've done some beautiful cards with it. Then you've got the individual leaves, and what I've done is I've given you a solid and a sort of skeleton version for each of the leaves. So you've got one for each of them. So you can really put a spray of beautiful autumnal leaves on, or do them for spring, do them for summer, do them for any colour. Just because autumn's my favourite doesn't mean you can't use these for loads of different things. And then there's this die, which is like a banner, and I love banners for sentiments and things. So what I've actually done is, oh, here's the stamps. Oh, they are nice. Just turn that over so you can see. Grab a piece of white card. We're in my craft cave, so it's perfectly safe to. The idea is you've got then, this will cut out that little beautiful stripe tag. So the inky things you can do with that. It will cut out this one stamp that you've got with a lovely bold border. So you can have a different colour, or you could Kaleido it, would look amazing. But these also fit these sentiments. Happy birthday with sympathy. Love you always. Congratulations. Thinking of you and sent with love. So that die fits onto them. In the rest of the stamps, make sure you put that back, John. Don't want to lose it. In the rest of the stamps, you've got some versions of these leaves. So if you look here, there's the die, there's the stamp, but you've got a dotty version and a solid version, so you can really build up some beautiful backgrounds with these, or you can die cut some out as well. You can mix them in with the dies. There's so much you can do with this. See how that will cut that stamped image out. I'll also cut out that dotty one. There's so much you can do with this. It's amazing. And then you've got 3 sort of feeling sentiments. I really genuinely believe that crafting is a great thing for your mental health. It's a great thing to take time away. So if you're stuck with loads of time, when I've got nothing to do, I've never got nothing to do because I've got craft stuff. So I've always got that to do. So I really wanted to put in some meaningful sentiments on here. So you've got being deeply loved by someone gives you strength, while loving someone deeply gives you courage. Above all, be the heroine of your life, not the victim. And success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It's the courage to continue that counts. So there's your stamp set. Loving that. Ooh, I want an extra one just to keep it all pretty in the box and not used. Sorry, this is me. Then you've got your stencil, and this is the same shape and style leaves again. So you can really layer with the stamps, the stencil and the dies, get all that sort of texture and feeling in. And a beautiful corner. I'm not sure if you can see this, but there's an absolutely beautiful corner there, which will just work on rectangular cards, square cards. It will tie up around. You can do it, you know, 4 times around. Love that. And then again, individual leaves and little sprays of leaves and things. So you can really go to town with that. Then you've got your papers. Whoa. Let's just open those. So your papers are the same sort of leaves, but these have all been coloured. So you've got oh, that's lovely. With the stripes on, with the sort of berries and the autumn leaves. Give you almost inspiration. I mean, that just needs, that could be folded in half. You could stamp happy birthday on it and it's done. These are beautiful. They've come out so, and such, oh, nice matte quality thick paper, printed beautifully. But that's not everything. This is why I love a box. So I love a box kit or something like this. This is Papercraft Society Box, because you've got more secrets inside. So fold up our beautiful folder. And in here, you've got the embellishments. Now, I sent some examples of the embellishments I wanted, and that is perfect. So you've got this beautiful sort of twine, proper garden twine, which is a nightmare to get. Oh, that is nice. It's all hairy. Perfect. You've got some skeleton leaves. Love those. So pretty. And I know a lot of people have got them, so there's only a few in there. Beautiful matte sequins in white. Are these sealed? I haven't even opened these yet. So matte sequins in white. Just, can you imagine those as shaker cards with that beautiful die? So nice. And then, oh, silver. Perfect. Because I did put a little bit of silver and some charms in, so I'm hoping that's in that little white envelope. So yeah, beautiful silver sequins. I've got a thing for sequins. I love sequins. See what's in this one. This might be the metal charms. Oh, it is fantastic. So actual metal charms in a leaf pattern, similar leaf pattern to the dies again, but just those with the twine and a skeleton leaf. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, I want more of those. I hope you can get more of those. So that's your leaves. I'm spilling things everywhere. And then you've got your cardstock, and I love this. They've even matched the inside of the box is that same grungy paper, but they've even matched the tissue paper, this sort of orangey shade. Not a shade people expect from me, but it's the shade I asked them for. I call it ginger. So, oh well, it's mine, so I can break that. So you've got a linen texture or a felt texture card. Oh, fantastic. Yes, they've got the orange. We've got this deep chocolate brown, beautiful evergreen. and a stunning craft card. Oh yeah, perfect. So that is crazy, but that is everything you're getting in your box. Where have I put my little, oh, there they are, don't want to lose those. My little silver charms, my paper. Let's pop all that back in at the bottom. I cannot wait to have a play. Tuck that in, and then I'll put my little folder back in, and I'm going to close my box up, and then when I finish this, I'm going to start playing, and you'll be able to see the results of what I'm playing with when you open your box, because the magazine inside, or little booklet, will have the projects that I've made using all of the products in here. And I really think all you need to add to this is probably a little bit of cream card or white card, which we've all got, if anything at all, and a little bit of glue, and everything else that you need is included in there. I hope you love this as much as I do. I'm really excited. I love this idea, and being able to share with everybody my first impressions when I open it. Oh, I'm just impressed. I just really love that. I hope you enjoy it too, and you enjoy making the projects. So from me, enjoy.